Hey guys, Chicha here. Guess what? Found it in the mail. Yeah. Okay, if you guys want to know what is this is my Christmas present. Yeah, it's my Christmas present, but I can't open it right now, so I know I can't open it right now because I'm gonna open it on 25th December. That is Christmas Day, so I'm gonna open this on Christmas Day. Hope you guys stay tuned on 25th December. I'm gonna do a video about it. Actually, there's another 2 items, it's not here yet, so yeah, if they arrive, I'm gonna do a video, okay? So hope you guys stay tuned on 25th December, guys. Don't forget, 25th December, Christmas Day. Okay, I'm gonna do a video opening my presents so you guys know what is inside. Stay tuned, guys. Bye. Wait, before I say bye, hope you guys subscribe it, put a thumbs up on my video. Yeah, bye.